This is the presentation for the Comprehensive Master Plan and Phase 1 construction of the Chinese University of Hong Kong, Shenzhen campus. Our aim was to design a campus that reflects the unique culture of the Chinese University and its values. Our understanding of the Chinese University is that it has a very strong cultural heritage, a culture of college community and communication, and an ecological campus. In addition, we wanted to introduce a culture of creativity and interaction. The site and its terrain naturally allowed two campus zones, which are fused together with the landscape. The lower campus on the right is backed by hills, and the upper campus on the left sits on top of the hills. The lower campus interacts with the city, and on the other side is surrounded by the serene, natural hillside. This condition allows an ideal programmatic diagram where the upper campus surrounded by nature on top of the hill could be the location of the teaching staff residence, postgraduate college residence, and staff quarters. This allows us to concentrate all of the main teaching facilities and undergrad campus in the lower areas. The upper and lower zones are then bound together with a natural terrain green link. The master plan proposal therefore optimizes the use of the urban context. Our concept can be described in a tripartite sectional zones: the natural green terrain, the campus green, and the academic cluster. The diagram of architectural intervention started with the Universiade 2011 structures. Our proposal extends the campus grid with a series of interconnected green landscape and axes, and then overlays the campus facilities, forming a human landscape. The diagrammatic components of the campus facilities consists of the main teaching blocks, which is arranged in a weaving layout, more on this later, and the faculty office blocks on top. And a series of pavilions, which includes the indoor sports facility, the administration block, main hall, library, multidisciplinary center at the heart of the development in phases 1 and 2, the internal street, which forms the spine and a loop around the multidisciplinary center, and the college residence. There are three main access points to the campus: the main entrance avenue for the visitors and drop-off, private vehicle and goods and services entrance below the teaching blocks, and the shuttle bus and bicycle entrance en route. The advantage of this arrangement is that it allows for future expansion and creates a master plan that is enclosed yet open, and a simple linear arrangement that works with the terrain. The teaching blocks of the academic cluster are arranged in an interlocking weaving pattern, which allows vertical transportation at the hinge points and creates open gaps which allow cross-ventilation and interconnection between different faculties. To enhance this connection further, the loop and spine street corridor on multiple levels strings together all the amenities like student welfare office and canteens. These spaces would encourage interaction and cross-faculty communication. The green campus is the second zone along the center of the campus. This is a sloping terrain which slopes up from the main entrance plaza and covers the roof of the multidisciplinary center with a central campus screen. The college residences are ideally located at the base of the hill to take advantage of the natural landscape. The arrangement of the 3 college residences respond to the natural terrain by interlocking and embracing the hill. This diagram illustrates the vertical stacking diagram and the reason why a cost-effective tower block model was chosen instead of a low-rise. Each college residence consists of 5 blocks, and a low-rise option will require larger site coverage, which means more cut and fill on site, which is less environmentally friendly. The lower block is a spatial variation on the traditional Chinese courtyard. The result is that the arrangement of the college residences respond to the natural terrain and works with the natural environment. The vertical blocks and courtyards allow the natural terrain to flow into the central green campus zone, which is much more environmentally friendly than an expansive site coverage using low-rise. The new sports hall is actually the partial reuse of an existing building structure frame. The new program is inserted as blocks between the old structure. The library pavilion design allows the visual and spatial connection between the hill, the campus green, and teaching blocks. The interlocking form creates a series of interior and external spaces forming courtyards, atria, and library aisles. The ends of each linear blocks are reading rooms with panoramic views of natural green. The main atria creates a cathedral-like space which belie a machine-like efficiency for book storage and expansion. The facade allows filtered light to enter through shading device, and diffuse lighting is provided.